All right. Just a quick warning first. This is for educational and informational purposes only, and you are responsible for your own trading decisions. Um, think I so I took a couple trades. This one. Uh, so all right. This is GBP USD. Um, Let me see if there is any news. I didn't check, but I think there isn't. Yeah, no news. Tuesday at 8:30. Okay, tomorrow at 8:30. So this one I took. So it had closed with a nice big bear breakout bar. Um, I was gonna actually not here. It had closed, but it if it had opened here, I was still gonna sell here, but it gapped up a little bit, and I think I entered somewhere here. Um, I had no stop loss here. Um, then it went into this profit, but I didn't lock in, and it came back up. Oh, here I wanted to add add more, but I didn't. But then it came back up some more. I was sleeping. I so very small size, just one lot, and then by the time I woke up, took out my stop loss. Another one I took in the morning. This was really interesting. Actually, I wanted to take, I wanted to sell, but I didn't. So sell was also okay. So this lug one, and then this lug two. And I think I could have entered, I entered the buy. I could have entered the buy. I waited too much, even here. And then this one could have been the color change. but then I saw this color change above the MA, so I entered here and then I went to bed. Then woke up around here and I got out because of this. I kind of wanted to wait for it to close below the MA, but I got out. So Friday was set for one lot, at most three entries. I did that, and today has been set for one lot, at most three entries. So that GBP was from Sunday, so I will not count that towards Monday. So Monday was the so far only the oil, which was good profit. Just one lot, but still, um, I think if I look at profit wise, it should be. So let's see. So I entered here. I put my stop loss here. That's 13 points. And I exited, let's say here. How much? 13 to 35. So let's see. So you're risking one to make about 2.7. So 2.69, 2.7. Kind of bullish for the day. Kind of bullish for the day. J. Assalamualaikum. this double bottom. Aizil Bongri, this up, this consolidation, consolidating. This wow. Uh-oh. Wow. ये उधर लॉन्ड्री में रखो। लॉन्ड्री में। आसमा, ये लॉन्ड्री में गंदे सॉक्स हैं, उसको बताए ना कि लॉन्ड्री में रखने। अजाल। No. And I remember one. आपको पता है ना मेरा ये ट्रेडिंग टाइम है। तो आप मेरे साथ लड़ाई क्यों कर रही हैं सुबह सुबह? इधर आओ। क्यों? देखो तो। Kind of wanna wait until maybe a little past 9:30. Um, so bullish on this one, but I think we've had this first leg up. It's consolidated. Second leg, don't know. This is um going through my previous trades, I've noticed that I need to start giving importance to the breakout. Plus, this was a decisive breakout. Sure. This is a more recent, latest decisive breakout. Another thing I want to point out is the flat MA200. I think that should make it for a trendy day maybe. Same in here. It dipped down just a little bit, but overall, this was flattish, flat. I think I would still call this flat. So plus, I think I think um gobbling up, engulfing the middle structure could lead to a sustained breakout, and already had first leg up. We're seeing some more, oh, higher high, higher high. We're seeing some more evidence of bullish breakout. So might be going. I was looking for a good entry, but I'm not finding it. This one, it's closing here. If it was closing above it, above the red bar and breakout, then I'd been interested to take it. So, I think see, one of my mistake, I jumping into a buy with this breakout, then I would have lost. So is not a this is not the entry candle, right? Um, if we wanted, but even the second bull breakout bar is no good, I think. Gotta figure out how to combine. So if we combine this with this one, even then it's not really so far other than this pin bar, don't see another. Maybe this pin bar, thinking. Think I want to take it. That's that's inside bar. So this will be my second. So buying it. Mm, Just gonna do one lot for now. Need to be careful with the way I size. Put my stop loss here. So basically below the, it's coming out a little bit weird in here. So little bit below the red pin bar. So mostly entering this pin bar. It's a little bit big in here. This one is mm, maybe a little bit smaller. The body, but let's see. Okay. Um, Thinking about between gold and oil. Um, and Nasdaq's also okay, not bad. I have somewhat of a bias for the buy for this. That's not bad. Is it too far? Too far from the MA? I put it on M15. This one because of the flat MA on M15. I kind of have my thesis that with the flat MA, it should give a sustained breakout. So this one, maybe I'm thinking might turn into a hold till close. Yeah, hello?
Hello, Norman. Good morning.
Yes.
Hi, this is Rachel speaking, and I'm contacting you from Number One Capital Markets, the broker you registered before. But since you didn't have any activity, I was wondering if you were facing any issue. I'm here for you.
No, no, I'm all set.
Okay, so Norman, are you actively trading on the market?
Yes.
Okay, so may I ask what kind of specific services that you receive in your current broker, which help you to, prefer the.
I'm looking for some training, some coaching, and some funding.
Okay, so that's exactly where you can receive these services. Did you know about this, that we are providing those kind of services?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so Norman, since last year, we are providing this kind of tools that you need, and it contains like giving you some educational information for your trading journey, for improving your trading style, and also we are providing all required information about the market, about what's happening in the market, and you can use this information for your trade, for your positions, and take a lot of advantage of the market based on this information.
Okay.
Yeah. So before to get through over this information, Norman, may I know you more and have some information about your experience and your trading assets and info like this? How many years experience do you have?
About 2 years.
2 years. And can you tell me about your results?
Uh,
In these 2 years, are you satisfied with your result or
no, I'm not.
you're not? And which is your favorite asset?
Uh, Nasdaq, the indices, oil, gold, couple of the major currencies.
already doing the diversification, which is really good. But I guess since because you don't have enough time to fundamentally analyze all of these assets, it may cause you this unsatisfaction in results. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Norman, as I told you, we are creating this department. We create this department as financial advisors, and me and my team, 24/7, we are watching the market. We are analyzing the market, and I can deliver you this information. I'm not speaking about the signal, Norman. Don't take the mistake. I'm not speaking about giving you the signal. I'm just speaking about giving you the fundamental analyzer, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And based on this information, you are able to choose your positions more wisely and take them for your own benefit. For example, tomorrow we have PPI, as you know. I don't know if you know or not.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we have PPI, and as you know, this kind of news and events has a direct effect on the market. And actually,
Could
they have
you
direct effect on the
could you
value of dollar
share
currency.
could you share your link with through the text or email and I can take a look further? I need to sign off.
To register, Nomana123 at aim.com.
Okay.
You registered with this email, and if you forgot your password, you can choose forgot password option and recover your password. And after that, for using our platform, for connecting our platform, you should verify your account, Noman, because you
Okay.
didn't upload any document. Yeah. And after you upload your document and your account got verified, you are able to create your trading account, fund your account, and start your journey with me.
Okay. I'm all set. Thank you, ma'am.
Let me see what I can do. There's some guests joining us today. I think they are on YouTube. So welcome guests. Welcome everyone who's peering from the outside in. All right. Welcome guests. And you know what we do at this particular time. This is sort of like the perfect time where we come up with flat 200 period moving averages. Which of your stocks have flat 200 period moving averages? Which of your stocks before the market opens have the 20 and the 200 relatively close together and flat? If that's very preferable. Is there anything in your arsenal with a flat 200 and a relatively flat 20 period moving average that's relatively close together? Is there anything that's indicated to open in a perfect position, a position one?
So I did
Is there
lose on the
anything that's a
oil,
fact
and I think
that
I want to keep it
a candidate for fading the gap,
maybe
against the gap? All right. So these are all
just
things
one
that
more
we do about
entry.
5 to 7 minutes before the open. You don't want to do that too early because things change so dramatically in free
To
market trading,
get carried
right?
away.
Things change really dramatically.
So just
So
for
some people are
the
saying
sake of
SMCI. All right, I got it. Relatively flat, 200 here. I see it. Okay. Thiago saying Uber. All right, yes, relatively flat too. Relatively flat. Now, guys, remember anything that is starting its life today at or near a flat at 200, right? Anything that's starting its life at or near 200 has a special, should have a special place at the open for you as well. All right. Some are saying C. Okay. Now remember, we can only do light prep work before the open. We can't totally, we can only kind of get a general idea of which stocks we should focus on the most based on the flatness of their moving averages, the narrowness of their states.
So
Guys,
this
quick
is turning out to be
on
quite interesting.
list. right.
Kind of
We
wanted
have
to
now
get in
today,
up here.
But remember, we
South.
pick what the first 2-minute or 5-minute bar is going to be. So we can get a head start on position. We can get a head start on the nature of the stock state, but we cannot predict what the first bar is going to be. And that first bar, a lot of times, is our most important key. All right. XOM here. Not bad. EA. All right. Flat 200, not a flat 20, but flat 200. I get it. Not a bad position. Up here. It's where your stock is indicated to open. Okay. All right. I want to know what you're doing. I want to know what you're focused on. I want to know what you're thinking. This is a way during the open. This is a way for me to keep a finger on the pulse of what you're doing, where you're at, what might need to be corrected, what might need to be refined. All right, share the wealth. All right, if I do anything, I will definitely share it with you. But my key role is to really watch you and to ensure that you're spot on with your technique. We typically only need 20 minutes or less to produce something solid. And remember, guys, I want you all to trade. I know many of you are trading with 100 share lots, but I want you to trade as if a 100 share lot is a 1,000 share lot. This is an important trading technique that gets you prepared for trading on that level. All right. Alexis says eBay. I think we take a look at eBay. Let's see. All right. Yeah. That's relatively flat 200. Not a flat 20 though. Coming into an apex. Still interesting nonetheless. All right. All right.
I think I might have.
All right, guys. So less than a minute to go.
A bit early with this.
Let's do this.
Bar.
May the force be with you.
I was a little bit hesitant, but see, I think he's on 2 minutes, so that's annoying. Maybe she was on 5
I
minutes.
will be scrolling through my list at the open.
Oh, wow.
And
Okay.
we are off and running. Oh. All right, big gap up here on Google. Google's got the gap of the day. Tesla gapping up to its 200 on the 5-minute chart. All right, gapping up to its 200. Remember, guys, do not rush. Do not feel like you have to act inside of the first 2 minutes. All right, don't be Don't be pulled in by adrenaline or your play to come to you. All right. Wait for your play to come to you.
This is decent flattish, right? But I would have liked to see one combined bar, not two bars together taking out.
We do not need the force. We've got OV. I like that. Yeah. All right. Scrolling through here. First minute and a half is almost complete. Roku. Katie's looking at Apple. Let's see. Apple, beautiful. Look at the position. Flat 200. Okay. Position clearing elephant bar off the 200 period moving average. That is beautiful. Good job. Good job, guys. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Like it. Beautiful.
Too big. Maybe.
Very quick $700 here so far, 600, whatever. But good job, guys. Good job. Good job in
I wouldn't take it.
Love it. Flavio's saying Amazon is nice.
He does it on
All right, not bad. Not bad for Amazon, guys. Give me a second here.
500.
Show you here. Apple's doing nicely here. There's 2,600 there.
He still look bad.
All over the place. We'll see. Great job on the find there.
I think maybe it closes above here somewhere. But tricky now.
So for me, still in.
Mhm.
There it is. 3,400, almost $3,500 on that play. Guys, listen, I am exiting early. I'm exiting early. Boom, for you so that I can focus on you. I've grabbed dinner for tonight, $3,500. Now it's all about you. All right.
I think
Starbucks, Marcus saying
still
Starbucks.
maybe put if it closes,
Beautiful,
then
beautiful.
I think so. Let me take it.
Here's that state with the 200 as an outlier.
I will put the stop
Are
loss
very nice
below the
position there.
body.
I would even say that bounce might even be shortable here. Good find. Someone mentioned Amazon as well.
And
I
that
do like what
will be
Amazon is
my
doing here.
third entry here.
I was-
So I think I will.
Apple is rocking. Oh, beautiful. Continuing to rock here. Nice. So game here. I could have actually had more in the play here. You know, you guys always cost me some extra money because I have to focus on you. and you will get ignored if I stay with the play too long. All right. Diogo, you sold your XOM. Let's see. You went short. Nice. Okay, I like that. I like that. Oh, nice positioning. Nice position. Guys, remember, in the real estate market, there are three ways to make money: location, location, location. Right? And in the trading business, there are three ways to make money: location, location, location. All right. So your event is like the house. The position is the location of the house. All right. And when you combine the event that you're playing in the right location, okay, Apple's a perfect example here. You've got, here's an event, boom, in the right, even if you bought here, here's an event in the right location. And the last piece is risk. If the risk is very manageable, so look at the risk here. Here's your entry. Your risk is under 200 right there. And here is your gain. And whenever you can make your risk this small in comparison to the upside potential, it's a very, very sound play. All right. That's a very beautiful thing right there. All right. Guys, what did who's got some games already? Assuming you're playing with 1,000 shares, who's got some games already? Anybody? Anybody? What have you got? Show me what you got. What have you got? 2,100, 1,100, 1,800. Guys, it's 8 minutes into the day. 980, 2,400, 2,800, 2,000, 2,810, 2,030. 8 minutes. Who in the world? Who else in the world can do this? This is what makes this game the best game in town. That's a beautiful thing. Guys, most people work an entire month for those types of games. Some work more than months for those types of games. 8 minutes. Beautiful. What else, guys? What else have you got? 3,800. Guys, who's got the biggest game? Who's got the biggest game so far? Let's see.
Just here.
Is
The stop
3,800
loss.
the biggest one? That's big. For 8 minutes, that is.
I don't know why
Andrew,
I
nice.
am still
Nice. SMCI long.
buying here. Mostly.
All right, yeah, that's coming back in. Guys,
It'll take
you
me.
see that 200 on the 5 up there? All right, now that shouldn't not necessarily stop you, but it is
more
right?
it's
That's
because of
resistance above
this. I thought, yeah, it's okay. Leave it for the day.
We've got, as for those of you who are watching us from the outside on YouTube, there are 191 traders here this morning.
Mostly because of
And that's just in the English room. So there is a Portuguese.
I thought this was
and a
first line.
language.
And
All
then
being
this
translated
spin bar was too big.
So
Sort of.
glad you're here. Glad you're getting a little peek into what we do.
Sort of I'm here. So maybe could have avoided
better
maybe too big of a pin bar. So I think
Carlos, you did MSTR short.
I was feeling
Let's
a
take a look.
little bit,
Okay, let me see the 2 minute here.
little
it.
bit
Right off
reluctant.
of that 200 there. Oh, okay. Nice. Even the bounce on that might be shortable as well. I like that. I love this game. Love it too. I love it so. This game. Beautiful. Right. Very nice. Juan, 1800. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. XOM melted. Let's see. Oof. Oof. It was that beautiful position. Position one. Oh, that is a beautiful thing. Who grabbed the XOM? Who got the XOM, guys? Who was it that got this? So Diogo, you did, yes. All right. Whoa, I like that. I love when many of you do the same thing. Diogo got it. Miat got it. Juan got it. Made 2,000 full. Proud of you guys. Proud of you guys. All right, AMD long, nice. Bottoming tail play in the perfect position. Beautiful. You got the 200 on the 5 up there. Just be aware of that. See? A 200 up there might stall it. 5. So guys, I am showing you the 2-minute chart here and the 5-minute chart here. And I look at them side by side like this. All right. You see that 200? Giving it some trouble there, yeah? Good. So I hope you took some gains into that area. Right? Hope you took some gains into that area. Daniel says, I'm having problems finding these too late. I get in on the late side of trades. So why do you think that is? Is that fear of entering them when you're supposed to, or you're actually seeing the plays late? Because there's a very big difference, Daniel, right? Seeing them late is different from I see them, but I enter them late. All right, so how many plays are you monitoring at the open? That's usually a key. If you're seeing the plays too late, you're looking at too many things. Right? The idea, guys, at the open, what we did earlier is to narrow your focus at the open with those things that are looking to open near the 200 with flat 200 period moving averages in very good locations. So you should really not have anything more than like 3 things that you're focused on at the open. You know? And if you're looking at everything, you're gonna always miss a lot. So the purpose of pre-market prep is to get down to 2 or 3. That's the purpose. DC on the C, damage control on the C. Okay, I see it. Damage control play. Guys, does our damage control technique save you a lot? For those of you who deploy it, does our damage control technique save you a lot? Nice. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Mine says even in real life too. Yeah. Out at C, out on C, David? All right, nice. You did the damage control on C as well? Oh, good. Now, for those of you who are watching and don't know what we mean by damage control, C was a very nice play here. All right. Elephant bar coming out